Good morning. This is the recording of the final submission for the week two. Today is Sunday, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Coast time. And there are so many things that were implemented in week two, and I'll try to fit them all in 5 minutes, but I'll have to do very, very quick. So this is production. I'm getting most of the functionality in production, except for one thing that I'll explain later. One of the big changes from big one uh, is the clinical copilot that were just text button generating fixed text sent to LLM. Uh, it changed to a free text box. Now it's a classic pipeline where the LLM decides first which tool to call, and then uh, summarizes the input from possibly multiple tools, and then it runs through verifier and then show to user. So basic patient data. We have source here, which just points to database record. Medications, the same thing with evidence. And I will now show you the free text. Show guidance. This is free text. And what it does is it makes hopefully LLM to choose tool that goes to yes to query reg database with guidelines, right? And it shows you five highest ranked guidelines. The final ranking is a fusion of dense ranking and sparse ranking. Um, the source is here, so you can click. And as we can see, this patient has hypertension. So I'm not a doctor, so it's hard for me to understand how relevant those guidance items are. But just eyeballing it, they seem to be relevant because the patient have hypertension and it tells everything about antihypertensive medications, stroke risk also relevant. This is probably about lab results. Cardiovascular disease also relevant. Diabetes, pre-diabetes, also probably about complete health. And there is source link, so user can click on the source link, and it will open the actual source that is stored in the vector database. All right. So sorry. Uh, so this is clinical copilot bar. Uh, okay, let's back to the patient. Next big thing was introduce modern dashboard. And here it is. This is dashboard implemented in ASP.NET because I'm a backend engineer, and ASP.NET is the only UI framework that I know accidentally. Uh, One reason, and second reason is this is not a Blazor. This is not a dynamic part of page loads. This is very straightforward. code, and having straightforward code is very important with LLMs because they tend to get confused. They tend to create complexity themselves, and they tend to become confused on the complex code base. And at least with ASP.NET, I can look at it and I can control the complexity. I can tell them how to change things. So this is the clinical copilot that we saw that was initially implemented in PHP. That was not an assignment, but I decided to re-implement it, add it to this modern dashboard too. I'm not going to demo it here because it's not hooked up to OpenAI API yet. But hopefully next week I will hook it up and get rid of the PHP version. Uh, okay, what else is the next thing to demo? Right, evals. So there is a test suite that include evals. There are 50 evals against the vector database that I can run from command line, but it's also running as GitHub action. There is a hook and it fires on every push. So here we go. This is GitHub repo, and we can see that the latest file. I can refresh. Right, so latest 42 minutes ago. Uh, and today. So a lot of commits, a lot of times the eval runs, it all succeeds. So this part is very stable. Okay, what's next? What did I miss? Let me check the time. Oh, it's already 7 minutes. Very quickly. But importantly, I cannot miss it. So this part works slightly differently for in production. So I'm demoing it in local environment. Let me start from the beginning. Admin class finder patient. This is ingestion of intake forms and lab results. So I already tested it right before the demo. So, but let me delete the lab result, delete, and ingest it again. Here is a new item in the menu that didn't exist before. Ingestion lab result. Let's say this because we are on patient one. This is lab report. Upload. It will take a few seconds, but it's fairly quick. Done. Now we have a new document here. And if you click on edit, it should show you extracted fields. And right. Thank you for listening. Bye.